But Senator Nelson, I have to say, from my perspective, as I'm watching this, it looks like only one side. The Republican side is putting any proposals out there. To follow up on Elliott saying, we hear nothing from you guys. You say you're talking about $100 billion cuts behind the scenes. We hear nothing from President Obama. The Republicans are the only ones suggesting any potential cuts to this budget. Are they the only ones who care about the deficit then?
Well, Will, you haven't been listening to my speeches then, because I think within short order we could get an agreement.
Senator Nelson, I got to ask you this in all honesty, in all earnestness. I watch what's going on, and I see the Democrats oppose any kind of cuts, or at least anything above $33 billion in cuts in the different discretionary spending. I hear you say, no, I'm not interested in a lot of Medicaid or Medicare reform. When I hear Democrats say then, on the other side, that they really are concerned about the rising deficit, the national debt, and you just told me that you have some proposals of your own for how to attack that, I'm starving to hear them, because all I hear, look, right now, it sounds to me like you guys are becoming the party of no.
Now, Will, you didn't listen to what I said.
Well, I'm wide open. My ears are wide open right now, so please fix the budget for me.
May I give you one? For example, it would be tens and billions of dollars. How about the royalty payments that are not being paid by oil companies for the privilege of extracting oil federal lands? That's a good starter. And you can go on from there on a number of tax expenditures.
On the spending side, Senator Nelson, do you have any suggestions on the spending side or only revenues?
Will, you can't approach it like you are. You're either one side or the other.
No, sir. No, sir.
Now listen.
I'm all ears.
What I have been saying in this whole interview is that you've got to have people of goodwill come together that are not trying to score partisan and ideological political points. And that's the way, at the end of the day, that we're going to get something done. And the way it's going to get done, by the way, is because the American people are going to demand it.